Hello everyone, this is Neha, and today we'll talk about the miscellaneous topic that are being asked in many PCS examinations, especially in prelims. So, on the name of miscellaneous, most of us think that they are asking anything from anywhere, but this is not the truth. If we thoroughly analyze the previous year question papers, commissions and examiners asked direct question from government websites. And what websites should we refer to? So, websites like NTPC, if you're preparing for a specific state exam, to follow the state's official website, agricultural websites, etc. So, I come up here with the coal based power plants in India. The source of this list is NTPC website, and it is the latest one. So I had seen a question in UPPC's ROARO prelims 2023, which was cancelled that year. There was a question in which we had to match the coal-based power plants with their respective states. Overall, if we see in India, more or less we have 100 plus coal-based power plants, but we cannot do all of them. So what we do, we have to do selective study. Go on government website and just read all the lists, all the informations. Okay, so this is the latest list. So Baroni, all we know, is very famous. It is in Bihar. Bar in Bihar. Bangai Gaon, it's in Assam. Its capacity is also important. If they ask the location, they could also ask the capacity provided by these plants. So Baroni in Bihar, its capacity is 500 megawatt. Bar in Bihar, its capacity is 2640 megawatt. The highest capacity is of 3000, 3000, and 4760 megawatt. It's of Vindhyachal's Madhya Pradesh. Okay, let's see all the list. Bangaigaon, Assam. Dadri in Uttar Pradesh. Darlipali, Odisha. Farakka in West Bengal. Feroz Gandhi, Unchar, Uttar Pradesh. Gandwara, Madhya Pradesh. And Kahalgaon in Bihar. Kanti in Bihar. Second. Khargone, it is in Madhya Pradesh. So the Khargone and Kahalgaon was asked in 2023 ROARO. Korba in Chhattisgarh, Kudgi, Karnataka. This was also asked in the same question. Lara in Chhattisgarh, Moda in Maharashtra, Nabinagar in Bihar, Ramagundam, Telangana, Rihand, Uttar Pradesh, Simhadri, Andhra, Singrauli, Uttar Pradesh, Sipat, Chhattisgarh, Solapur, Maharashtra, Talcher, Kaniha, Talcher Kaniha in Odisha, 3000 megawatt है इसकी. Tanda, Uttar Pradesh, Telangana in Telangana, Vindhyachal in Madhya Pradesh, which has highest capacity of production.